Yo, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to use Capital One's online banking. Let's get straight into the video. First, for logging in, what you want to do is to visit the Capital One website and click on the login at the top right corner of the page. And then you want to enter your username and password to log into your account. And then if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you want to enter the verification code that's going to be sent to your phone or your email. Now, for navigating the online banking platform, you have account overview, where you can view your account balance, transactions, and statement. There's also transaction history, where you can view transaction history, including deposits, withdrawals, and transfers. You also have transfer funds, so you can transfer funds between your Capital One accounts or to external accounts. There's also pay bills, so you can pay bills online, including credit card bills, utility bills, and other expenses. You also have account settings, where you can update your account settings, including your username, passwords, and security questions. Now, when it comes to managing your accounts, there are a couple of other things you can do. You can view account balance, so you can view your account balance, including your checking, savings, credit cards, and of course your loan account. You can also monitor transaction history to detect any suspicious activities. Then you could also set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, or account activities. You could also freeze or close accounts if you suspect unauthorized activity or no longer need the account. Now, for using online banking tools, there are a couple of online banking tools that you can make use of. The first, of course, is the budgeting tool. So you can use budgeting tool to track your spendings. You could also create a budget and of course set financial goals. There's also a financial calculator tool, where you can use the financial calculator to calculate loan payments, credit card payments, and other financial scenarios. There's also investment tracking, so you can track your investments, including your stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.